Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercenter, and we're taking a look at the 2017 Nissan Sentra in an SV trim and powered by a 1.8 liter engine, providing you with excellent fuel efficiency and freshly detailed, so it's looking nice and clean. But let's take a look inside. And first, looking at the back, where you do have a pretty sizable trunk that can always be expanded by folding down the rear seats. And now looking in the back seat, where you have seating for 3 with some fold-out armrest and cup holders, and then you have 2 little cubbies here in the center. And now looking in the front, where you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. So now sitting in the vehicle with it running, you can see it's sitting at 61,376 kilometers. Moving down to the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your cruise control buttons and your hands-free phone controls, and on the left hand side you have your hands-free phone radio controls, and I believe also the controls for your little info screen here, where you can cycle through things such as your fuel economy, your radio, warnings, and you can also go through your settings here for some of your stuff. I'm not sure what that is, honestly. Your average speed, your trip A and B stuff, I believe, and fuel economy once again. To the left of your steering wheel, you do have your mirror light controls, your trunk release, and your eco and sport modes, as well as your traction control shutoff, so you can customize your driving a bit. And moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, CD, auxiliary, and I believe also USB and Bluetooth, so you do have quite a few options there for whatever you want to listen to, however you want to listen to it. Shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera, so you're going to be able to see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything, so that's always nice. Moving down from that, you have your climate controls here, pretty simple, easy to use. Below that, you have a cubby with a 12-volt power outlet here, so you can plug something into power or charge from there. And then you have your main shifter. Pretty simple. I believe this is overdrive on the side. And then moving on, you have your heated front seats here with 2 levels each, so you can stay cozy in the colder months. And then you have your parking brake, 2 cup holders, and your center compartment / armrest, which can be slid around, of course, for more comfort. And inside you have your auxiliary and USB, so you can either plug in your audio or plug something into power or charge from there. And of course you have plenty of space for all your stuff in there. And then last but not least, you do also have a power sliding moonroof, so you can let in the sunshine or a breeze while you're out for a cruise. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.